Mercedes-Benz vehicles are filled with subtle innovations that many owners never discover. Here are 10 hidden Mercedes features worth exploring. 10. Energizing comfort. With a single tap, the car can coordinate climate control, seat massage, ambient lighting, and music to help you relax or stay alert. 9. Augmented reality navigation. On equipped models, the navigation system overlays arrows and directions onto a live camera view of the road ahead. 8. Remote parking assist. Certain Mercedes models can be parked using a smartphone while you stand outside the vehicle. 7. Adaptive high beam assist. The headlights automatically shape and adjust the beam to maximize visibility without dazzling other drivers. 6. Air balance package. Some models can gently fragrance the cabin while enhancing air filtration. 5. Exit warning assist. Sensors monitor approaching traffic and warn occupants before a door is opened into danger. 4. Transparent hood. On select SUVs, cameras can create a virtual view beneath the front of the vehicle, making off-road obstacles easier to spot. 3. Digital key sharing. Compatible smartphones can unlock and start the car, and access can be securely shared with others. 2. Over-the-air updates. New functions and improvements can be delivered wirelessly, keeping the vehicle current. And number 1. Personalized user profiles. Seats, mirrors, climate settings, and infotainment preferences can automatically adjust to each driver, making every trip feel tailor-made. Features vary by model and year, so take some time to explore your Mercedes menus. You may discover capabilities you've been missing all along.